Hey guys, I guess we're gonna do a coolant pressure test on this 98 Integra. And here's the kit, I guess. That way whenever Abel stops moving. So, and you usually just want to make sure it's topped off with coolant, put the gauge on, and see what happens after it sits with pressure.
I'm only going up to 15.
Oh, that just pops it right off, huh? Okay. Good? Yeah, good to go.
It's leaking out air right here. I just felt it on this side. It was like on the bottom.
Bottom of this?
Yeah, it was like right here. Abel, if he puts his hand right here and he
Try to
pumps
get over. See what happens.
Oh, now it's building.
Yeah, you got it. Okay. Maybe a little bit.
And you see it goes 15. A little bit more. It should be about 15.
So now pretty much just look around, hoses, stuff like that. If you could see the water pump, you could look at that, but that's not really happening because all the covers are on this. So just try to look around.
Is it gonna light? Yeah, it's losing pressure.
It's losing it already?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's already dropped down a little bit. You got light, Abel? Like Dad, you got light? I was trying to look at this back hose for the eye.
Oh, you got that, Abel.
Just trying to look at the eye hose in the back.
This we can't see.
This side, maybe.
I can see a leak there.
On the eye hose, yep.
Yeah, yeah.
From the bottom of the eye to the back of the motor.
Is it from there?
Yep, it's right here.
Let's
It's
see
this
here.
hose.
Yeah, but let's see.
I feel it. It's
Where
at the.
else it's leaking real quick.
Well, it's at the clamp thing.
Did you put a new clamp on it?
No, I still have it.
So you need to go get one of those.
Where are those at?
So let's go find one real quick.
Okay.
Let's go see. Turn it kind of loose. It's dark in here. Okay, where did I put them?
Needle those pliers probably too.
It's about that size, right?
Yeah, about that size.
I take one of those, you only need one.
We're gonna need these probably to take the one that's on there
Oh,
off.
that's what's broke, so you're gonna have to make those work before they.
I think those are gonna be those
You might
last
want
time.
these ones too.
This one's gonna be a screwdriver type, so it'll fill up. So we should grab one of those.
Flat nose?
Yeah.
There's a big difference.
Bad then.
Bad.
I was in my bad. Looked at it wrong.
There you go, this should do it.
Yeah, it doesn't need no big guy.
Alright.
Ooh, it might actually need a long one to reach in there.
No. You should be able to set it where it should be and that it's gonna be too long. Otherwise.
Well, it's got
It
just
might
one
just
slow
be
little
that.
drip. This is gonna be a bitch to get to.
Huh?
It was a bitch when I had to do this at work.
So
Wait, it's right here. Hang on.
yeah, you should be able to get
See
to
if I
it.
can reach it.
We got here. Alright, here we go.
It's like right there.
So guys, pretty much that's how this helps you if you got like some type of leak or something in your coolant.
Helps to
My
identify.
buddy borrowed it to do his brother's car, and his brother's not home, so he came over and we're using it. I think he paid $150 to rent it from where?
I think
Where'd
that-
you get it from, Abel?
O'Reilly.
I need the bigger.
O'Reilly's.
I need the bigger ones, not these.
And you get all that back, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you get all your money back from that after you return it, but he's still gonna have it for a few days, so we're just using it definitely need to buy one. So
Yep. It's on the list.
right now, just wanted to figure out a problem as it is. So obviously we did. So that's what it is, and guess it was just a real quick video. So I guess if any of that helped, that's cool. Have a great night, and like and subscribe, that would help. So later.